Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So how are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. So
All good, sir.
yes. So may I start now,
Yes, sir.
or should we wait
Yes,
for few
sir.
minutes? Only 11 students have joined till now. Okay. Basically, today we'll discuss how we'll teach the subject and how we'll evaluate this subject. As you know, this subject is basically engineering drawing 2C, but in this subject, if you see the syllabus of this subject, we learn one software to make two-dimensional drawing, 2D drawing. So in your first year also, you have gone through your engineering drawing. You have learned how to make engineering drawing using your, say, drawing instruments. But here, we shall learn how to make those engineering drawings using a software. So here we will use one software. That software is basically the common software AutoCAD. Versions may be different, but we will use the basic software AutoCAD, and we will try to learn to make engineering drawings using that software. So that is the objective of this class. So I will also share the course outcomes of this subject in the Google Classroom. Later on, you can see what are the objectives or course outcomes at the end of the semester of this subject. Now, the thing is how we should evaluate this subject or how we should teach the subject. Definitely, I will try to take feedback from your side, but my preliminary ideas I may want to share. That is basically I shall take the online classes, and in the online classes I will try to demonstrate how one command, particularly different commands work, and how to make the drawings. You will get enough time to practice, and here in the classroom only I'll try to give some assignments, and you need to draw if it is possible. Later on I'll coming to that point. Now here the main thing is, since it is a computer related subject, so computer is essential. So without a computer it is not possible to learn the software. Okay, in your mobile phone or tab it is not possible, though there are apps, but full apps are not available. So you need to use a dedicated computer or laptop to install the software, and using that software only you have to draw the engineering drawings. So basic requirement here is one laptop or desktop, one computer is required. So one by one I will come to you what is the status in respect of your computer or net connections later on. But first I try to mention here that computer is required or essential. And secondly, internet connection should be good, so that in the online classes you can do some things, and if you face any problem at that time only you can ask me how to do these things, or you can also share your screen and show how to solve the problem associated with your at the end of users. So that is one. Number two, for these classes, we'll try to give some assignments. You need to draw those assignments, or basically assignments is drawing. You have to make the drawings. So you have to draw those drawings, and you need to submit in the Google Classroom. So all the communications, all other things should be made through the Google Classroom only. If some students are not join in the Google Classroom, please ask them to join there, because all the communications will be through the Google Classroom only. Next, we should evaluate the assignments. One. So on the basis of the assignments, marks will be provided to you. if it is possible to do the online class and all are available with the systems, then in the online classes also we can take some assessments. Okay, so at the end of the semester you should appear for a test. The test probably should be on the software only, because we will learn the software, and at the time of your examination we shall give some problems and you need to draw. Okay, so in this mode I try to take this year's class. So first of all, do you have any question or any problem associated with this type of class? Anyone? Please let me know. Okay. Now I am coming one by one. I want to hear from your side. Uh, Here I can see roll number 139. 130 Soumodip De Modok. Are you there? Soumodip?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you have a laptop or desktop?
Sir, I don't have right now, but I have uh, come. Hello,
Yes, I can
hello,
hear you. I can hear you.
hello,
Hello. Hello.
Yes, I can
hello.
hear you. I can hear you.
Sir,
Soumodip?
I right now I am not in my home,
Okay.
so I have come to a
Okay.
relative's
So
house. So
you have the laptops or desktops.
yes, sir. I have the laptop in
This
the
week the
home.
formal class will not be there. From the next week only we'll start the class.
Okay,
But
sir.
I want to assess this week so that from the next week we may start the class. Okay. So you have the laptop or desktop.
Yes, sir. I have the laptop.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Uh, Next, I think we have Ankit Koshad, roll number 140.
Yes, sir, present.
So do you have the laptop or desktop?
Yes, sir, I have a desktop.
Okay, no problem then. So and internet facility?
Yes, sir, I have a Wi-Fi.
Okay, no problem then.
Excuse
Then
me,
I,
sir.
yes, yes.
Sir, can you tell the specifications for AutoCAD, like how much RAM or how much, or do we need an SSD? Is it mandatory or not?
Okay, okay. At the end of the class, please let me assess the students. Okay. After that, I will let you know. Okay, definitely. I will
Okay,
try.
sir.
Okay. Next is Probal Sen, roll number 141.
Yes, sir. I have a laptop,
Okay, and internet connection?
but it's 4 years old, so it has 4 GB RAM, not 8 GB.
No, no problem. No problem. My
Okay,
laptop also has 4 GB RAM only. Okay.
okay.
Okay, no problem. Then,
And network, I have the Idea and GeoSIM to network connection, but
okay.
no
Then it,
Wi-Fi, but mobile data.
okay, no problem. No problem. And then the roll number 142, Pronoy Sarkar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have a laptop or desktop?
I have a desktop.
Okay, no problem. And internet connectivity is good?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Roll number 143, Dora Binit. Are you here? Roll number 143. No, I cannot see here. Okay, roll number 144, Shivam Mondol. Shivam Mondol. Are you here, Shivam Mondol? Shivam Mondol. Binit, are you here?
Yeah, he's writing in the chat box, but his mic is not working,
Okay,
I
okay,
think.
okay, okay. Let me check. Okay. Can you hear me, Vinit?
Sir, he is writing in the chat.
Yes, but okay.
I think he has some internet issues, sir.
Yes, but without computer for this class, it is very difficult to follow. I can record the online classes. I can share, but the problem is you have to practice. Without that, it is not possible to learn the software. Okay, so try to, or you may call me in my mobile number, then we may discuss it. But without a laptop or desktop, it is very difficult to follow the class. That is the problem. Okay, so later on I will talk to you. Okay, or you may call me. Okay, yes. Now Shivam Mondal, are you here? No. Roll number 145, Swastik Acharya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your status? Do you have a desktop or laptop?
Yes, yes. I have I have a laptop,
Huh.
and I have Wi-Fi connection also.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Roll number 146, Shreyoshi De. Are you here? No. Roll number 147, Aman Kumar Singh. No. 148, roll number Shantanu Barman.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a laptop or desktop?
No, sir. I don't have any laptop or rather desktop.
Okay. Then how will you arrange it? Is it possible to arrange?
I'm not sure about that, sir.
But you see, without this basic things, it is very difficult to do it. Okay. So I cannot pressurize you, but the thing is, if it is possible, try to arrange it. Otherwise, you call me at that time. We may discuss how to do the things.
Okay, sir. I will try to arrange.
Okay, but I am not pressurizing you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Roll number 149, Shreyash Tripathi.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a laptop or desktop?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a laptop.
Okay, no problem. Internet connectivity is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Roll number 150, Suchandima Das.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have a laptop or desktop?
Yes, sir, I have a laptop.
Internet connectivity is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Roll number 151, Oishik Vishwas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have a laptop or desktop?
Yes, I have a laptop and I have internet also.
Okay, very good. Then 152, Devmallu Chatterjee.
Yes, sir.
So you
I
have
have a laptop, sir.
computer is there.
Yes, sir. Laptop is there.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay. Roll number 153, Ritam Shau.
Yes, sir.
So do you have a laptop or desktop?
Yes, sir. I have a laptop.
Okay. And internet connectivity is okay.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 154, Ranjit Das.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a laptop or desktop?
No, sir. I don't have any laptop or desktop.
Okay. Then how will you arrange it? Is it possible to arrange in your family or nearby? Do you have any laptop or desktop from where you can access?
I will try.
Okay.
I will try.
Okay. Then 155, Krishna Bar.
Yes, sir. I have the laptop and almost good internet connectivity.
Okay, very good. Very good. Now Vishal Mondal, 157. Vishal, are you there? 159 Deep Haldar.
Yes, sir.
So do you have laptop or desktop?
Yes, a laptop. But I face travel in network issue sometimes.
Okay, okay. Then 160 Shumon Acharya.
Yes, sir, present.
Okay, so do you have a laptop or desktop?
Yes, sir, I have a laptop and I have a decent internet connection also.
Okay, thank you, thank you. 161 Shobik Pramani. Okay, okay. Very good, very good. 162 Ramich Ahmed Sardar. Ramich, are you here? No, I can't see. So, out of this 21 students, I think 3 students do not have the laptop or desktop. Please try to arrange it if possible, but there is no pressure from my side. But the thing is, without this basic instrument or basic computer or laptop, it will be difficult to learn the software. You can see what we are doing here. I can share the recorded classes. You can see those classes. But the thing is, if you do not practice, it is not possible to learn it. Okay, so that is the problem. If it is possible to arrange the computer or laptop, it will be nice. So take your time. From next week, we will learn or we will start the formal class. In the formal class, we will take the online class, because in the online mode, I shall demonstrate, and also I will record the online classes and I shall share it. Okay, so from your end, you need not to record the classes. From my end only, I will record it. Okay, so is there any problem to take the online classes or real-time classes? Anyone? As you know, this is the sessional class. So if you do not get 50% marks in this class, so it is not possible to go to the next year. So I think in the first year also you have learned there are 2 types of classes, sessional class and theoretical classes. So for sessional classes, the passing marks is 50. So always your target will be to get higher marks, 90 plus marks. Okay, so it is very much possible in this class. But the thing is, try to attend the online classes. If you face any problem at any point of time, let me know. I have already shared my mobile number with your seer. So seer has the number. Also, you can email me. In Google Classroom also you can write. I shall share the recorded classes. But if you face any problem, if you do not understand the classes, please let me know at that time only. I shall clarify. Now from your end, do you have any question?
Sir, all the assignment will done by laptop, or we have to do something in paper?
No, this is the engineering drawing 2C class. In your engineering drawing, all the modes or all the drawings are made by hand only. But here we'll do the same things, but using the software. So only you need the software. So that software is essential. So you have to install the software. Ankit asked me which software or what type of hardware should be there. I am also facing the same problem. I have 4 GB RAM. Last year I installed AutoCAD 2021. So if you want, you may download the official AutoCAD software from Autodesk. You need to upload your ID card. Okay, and then it is possible to download the software, the genuine software. So there is no problem. But the
software
problem,
is free, na sir?
yes,
Free to use.
free to use. You may
Okay, sir.
download from your Autodesk website only. So there is no problem. But the thing is, if your hardware, like say your RAM is slow, for my case it is 4 GB, so I cannot handle that software, heavy software here. So I am not using AutoCAD 2021. I am using one lower version, and all the things are same. If you have any version, I have right now, I have AutoCAD 2007. In our labs also, AutoCAD 2007 version is available. Last year I tried with AutoCAD 2021, but I failed because the system does not, system did not work at that time.
Sir, does it require graphics card?
No, it is not required. But if you use the lower version, I think your purpose will be solved. Our target is to learn the software, how to use the software and what the commands are there, and how to use those commands to make the engineering drawing. That is our objective. So if you learn AutoCAD 2007 or 2012 or 2014 like this, the same things or all the things are there. In higher versions, all the things, some advanced tools are available. That's all. But the basic things are same. Probably this year also I have to use AutoCAD 2007 only. I will try to install 2021, but I do not know. It may not work here. So I have to use AutoCAD 2007 only. Also, I will try to use 2012. If these two versions are okay, then I may use AutoCAD 2012. For your case, if 2021 is not working, then use a lower version. Our objective is to learn the software. If you learn 2007, you may use 2021. There is no problem. Commands are same. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Ankit? Ankit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, have you got my answer?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. So, there is no problem. You may use a lower version. If you face any problem, use lower version. If your RAM, all other things are okay, you may use AutoCAD 2021. Freely you can download it. But for AutoCAD 2007, probably you will not get it. Because when you will try to download the software from Autodesk, they will provide you the latest version. Okay.
But we don't have the ID card, but college ID card is not provided to us.
Library card?
A library card আমার হয়নি এখন আপাতত মানে এখন
Sir, we didn't get the library card.
most of the student has not the ID card or library card.
Understand.
No one has ID card.
Understand. Got your point. If you face any problem to download it, I may share the file in say Google Drive for AutoCAD 2007, though it is not the official version, because for AutoCAD 2007 right now you will not get the authentic version. That should be the cracked version right now. If you go for AutoCAD 2021, you will get the license version or say free version from Autodesk, genuine version. For the lower one, probably you will not get it. So I have the cracked version of AutoCAD 2007. If you want, I may share it in your Google Drive. Okay, that is possible. First you try. If it is not possible, then I may share it. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So you start to download the things, or you start to collect the software. If you fail, let me know. Whatever versions I have, I'll try to share. Clear? From next week, that means next Monday, I shall start the class, and most of the students have laptop and desktops. They should also install the software, and from next week, next Monday, we should start it. Any problem? Okay. So now,
No, sir.
yes, you may ask the questions you have. Any question?
So if you download AutoCAD from the official version, is it free or is it paid?
Your voice is not clear. Can you please tell me again?
Sir, if we download AutoCAD from the official website, is it free or is it paid?
No, free. For the students, for the academicians, the softwares are free. You will get for 1 year. There is no problem. Okay, so it is absolutely free software. Also for the universities also, we get the free software, because for EICT approved institutes, AutoCAD software is free. So if you use cracked version or the genuine versions, there is no crime. I talked to the person related to this
Sir,
responsible.
which one will download, the free trial one?
No, not the trial one. You have to download the full version.
Sir, below that it is
trial
written
one,
that it is paid 80,000 per year.
No. You will download it for as a student. As a student, I will download it as an academician. Understand? For 1 year, you will get it, and after 1 year, you may renew it for 3 years. There should be the options. Okay, you just search it, you will get it. If you face any problem, let me know at any point of time. At that time, I may share the link from where you have to download it. Okay, so if you use a lower version, there is no problem. If you use the higher version or latest version, there is no problem. Is it clear? So regarding
Yes,
the
sir.
classes, regarding the online classes, regarding the assessment of this class, do you have any question or clarification, any objection? Because when we set the criteria, when we set the parameters, at the end of the semester, you cannot tell, yes, sir, this way it should not be done. So if you have any problem, if you have any objection, at the very beginning of the class, you should let me know. Sir, we have this type of problems associated with this. Then only we may adjust. We may talk to you and we may adjust it. Okay, so you may think in the next class also you may let me know. Yes, Tripathi, Priyas Tripathi?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we have any doubt, then can we come physically to the campus and clarify that doubt if possible?
No problem, because I am going to the university regularly. For last 3-4 months, I am going to the university. So regularly I am going to there in the university. So I am available in the second half. In the first half, I have some assignments here. So after that, and definitely for this class, from next Monday, I will take the class from the university only. Okay, so I will be available. You may talk to me over phone, and then you may come. Because officially the university is closed.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so there is no problem. And from next week, probably, since I have to take the class from the university, from my sitting room, probably it will be better to start the class at 3. If you have any problem, please let me know. If I start the class from 3 p.m., do you have any question, any problem, any type of problem? See, for the online classes, what
No,
will
sir.
happen? Maximum I will take one hour class. Okay, because you have data connection, so you have the limitation. Though I have no limitation there. I have the Wi-Fi in my home also, in university also, so there is no problem from my end. But for some students there may be some problem, because 1 hour, 1.5 hour, I think it's okay. If you want, in 1 week we may sit for 2 times or 3 times if you want. Okay, so duration for each class may be 1 hour, but if you want for multiple times in a week, that is possible. If you have, say, one free slot and you want to learn the things, because in AutoCAD different things are there. Here one programming language is also available in AutoCAD. So lots of things are there, but that is up to you. If you want to learn the things, then you have to give the time. I am available. If you are available, then only it is possible. So from my side, I may suggest, yes, if it is possible to sit for, say, twice in a week, that will be better. If it is not possible, there is no pressure. So on Monday only we will sit. So from next Monday, I will start the class from 3. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you may adjust other classes accordingly. Because from 2 to 3 you will get 1 hour time. So from 3 you will
Sir,
start.
you can take from Wednesday afternoon. We are free that time.
Wednesday probably I have another class. Okay. Okay, no problem. You discuss. Then you let me know. Then I have to see whether I have the free slot. Then only it is possible. Okay. So right now you should not commit. Let us start the class. Later on we may fix another date where we can sit together, or where we can clear our doubts. That is possible. Okay. So do you have any other question? Any queries? Any confusion?
Sir, exams will be online or offline?
For the evaluation of this class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, online. I do not know whether the university will open or not after the, say, Puja vacation. I do not know. If university is open, then offline. If the university is closed, I need to take the test online, in online mode. There is no other way then. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So we are meeting again on Monday at 3 p.m. Next Monday at 3 p.m. Okay. Okay. So in the meantime, try to download it. If you face any problem to download the software, please let me know. I may share the available software with you. Okay. So thank you very much. If you do not have any other question, you may leave. Okay. If you have any problem or any question, stay back. Otherwise, you may leave.